Today's video is brought to you by the request of Deshan Giles. Deshan's been patiently requesting some elemental dragon designs for a while now, so a few months ago I sat down to start building a few. So we're going to start this series with Jay's elemental dragon, which was a lot of fun, but used a lot more parts than I was expecting. So to show off the electricity, I opted to use dark blue for the main color, with Nia's dark azure for the underbelly. After I grabbed a handful of lightning pieces, we were ready to start designing. So I really love the look of the medieval dragon that came out earlier this year, but it's not quite right for Jay's elemental dragon. So the first thing I did was rebuild it in BrickLink Studio, swapping out the red and green for some blue. Then I fixed up the feet and the body, borrowed a part of the tail from the guardian dragon, added in an extra segment to the neck, and then built a custom head which looks great but had one big problem. Building in Studio is great because it allows you to preview your build before you actually start building, but it's not perfect. You can't build this head in real life because the eyepieces collide with the eyebrows, the lightning collides with the lower teeth, and the teeth themselves actually can't connect to the bricks in the jaw like this. This is illegal. It's not even that it's illegal, it's just that it's not physically possible. So I rebuilt the head with some real pieces and came up with a design that actually worked. I also used yellow plates underneath the eyes to give them a yellow glow, which isn't accurate, but is a reference to the multicolored lightning that Jay uses in Dragon's Rising. So once that was done, I put all of the components together to reveal Jay's elemental dragon. It's crackling electricity from its spiky head to its powerful tail, and the Sky Pirates better watch out because Jay's going to be coming in hot soon to rescue Nia from Nadakhan. You can fold up the wings or extend them out and give it some dramatic poses. The neck posability is a little limited though, but I wanted to make sure that it would be stable enough for display or for flying it around after those pesky Sky Pirates. I'm not 100% happy with some of the colors that I used here. I would prefer these pieces to actually be in light blue, and I accidentally ordered the wrong color of this piece from BrickLink, but despite that, I'm really happy with how this turned out, and join me soon for the build tutorial, which I am still working on. I'll put a part list in the description if you want to start gathering the pieces you need, but in the meantime, Jay and I are going to go crash a wedding. Alright, that is it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that other good stuff, and we will see you next time.